Welcome back to the Health Channel. Today, we are going to cover the holistic approach to treating acne. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in natural remedies for acne. Due to concerns about the side effects of prescription medications and a desire for more holistic approaches to skincare. A holistic approach takes into account the person's overall well-being and aims to address the root causes of acne, providing a more comprehensive and sustainable solution. So sit back and indulge in this informative video, which may cause you to treat your acne the right way. But before we start, please consider to like and subscribe if you want to keep up with our latest health advice. First, let's explore the multifactorial causes for acne. Number 1. Diet. Foods with a high glycemic index, high in sugar and processed carbohydrates, can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which in turn may stimulate the release of insulin. These hormones can increase oil production and inflammation in the skin, contributing to acne. Opt for low glycemic foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes, which release sugar slowly into the bloodstream and may help stabilize insulin levels. An imbalanced ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids in the diet can promote inflammation, potentially exacerbating acne. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, flax seeds, and walnuts, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies have suggested a link between dairy consumption, particularly skim milk, and an increased risk of acne. Hormones and growth factors present in dairy may influence skin health. If you want to incorporate a healthy diet for your skin, try to eat as much foods that are high in antioxidants. These are foods like berries, green tea, and colorful fruits and vegetables to help protect the skin from oxidative damage. And don't forget to drink enough water to keep your skin hydrated. Proper hydration supports skin health and can help maintain a clear complexion. Number 2. Hormonal factors. Hormonal fluctuations, such as those that occur during puberty, menstruation, pregnancy, and hormonal disorders, can stimulate the oil glands, leading to increased oil production and acne. Number 3. Stress. Stress triggers the release of stress hormones like cortisol, which can stimulate oil production and inflammation in the skin, leading to acne breakouts. Prolonged stress also weakens the immune system, making it less effective at fighting off acne-causing bacteria. Stress disrupts the skin's natural barrier function, making it more susceptible to irritation and breakouts. So it's important to minimize stress as much as possible. Not only for the sake of acne, but for many physical and mental ailments and illnesses. Some stress reduction techniques include meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, physical exercises, and adequate sleep. Number 5. Genetics. A family history of acne can increase one's susceptibility to the condition. Genetic factors can influence how an individual's skin responds to hormones and inflammation. Number 6. Medication. Certain medications, such as corticosteroids, can trigger or worsen acne as a side effect. Number 7. Environmental factors. Exposure to pollutants and certain occupational factors may contribute to acne in some cases. Now let's start with a list of natural remedies to treat acne, probably products you have already in your home. Treatment 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has astringent and antibacterial properties that can help balance the skin's pH and reduce acne. Here's a recipe for a diluted ACV toner and instructions for use. Mix 1 part raw, unfiltered ACV with 3 parts water to create a 25% ACV solution. After cleansing your face, apply the diluted ACV to your skin using a cotton ball or pad. Allow it to dry and follow up with a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Use this toner once a day, preferably in the evening. If you have sensitive skin, you can further dilute the ACV. Treatment 2. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing and healing properties, making it a popular natural remedy for acne-prone skin. It can help reduce inflammation, redness, and irritation associated with acne. Here's how to apply aloe vera gel to acne-prone areas. Ensure that you're using pure, organic aloe vera gel without added chemicals or fragrances for the best results. Start with a clean face. Gently wash your face with a mild, non-comedogenic cleanser and pat it dry. Take a small amount of aloe vera gel and apply it directly to the affected areas or your entire face. Gently massage it into your skin using circular motions. Allow the aloe vera gel to absorb into your skin for at least 15 to 20 minutes. You can either rinse off the aloe vera gel with lukewarm water or leave it on your skin overnight for deeper hydration and healing. Treatment 3, Honey and Cinnamon Mask. A honey and cinnamon mask can benefit the skin due to honey's antibacterial properties and cinnamon's anti-inflammatory effects. Combine 1 tablespoon of honey with a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to create a paste. Begin with a clean face. Apply the mixture evenly to your face or on specific acne-prone areas. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Caution: cinnamon can be irritating for some skin types, so it's advisable to do a patch test first or avoid this remedy if you have sensitive skin. Treatment 4, Green Tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and improve acne-prone skin. Brew a cup of green tea and allow it to cool. You can use a cotton ball to apply it as a toner or use it as a base for homemade face masks. Or freeze green tea in ice cube trays and use the cubes to gently massage your face, which can help reduce inflammation and tighten pores. Treatment 5, Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with enough water or yogurt to create a paste. Apply the paste to acne-prone areas or your entire face. Allow it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently rinse off the paste with lukewarm water. Be cautious as turmeric can temporarily stain the skin. Treatment 6, Baking Soda. Baking soda is alkaline and can help exfoliate the skin. However, it can be abrasive, so use it sparingly. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to form a paste. Gently massage the paste onto your face in a circular motion for a minute or 2. Rinse thoroughly with water and follow up with a moisturizer. Use this exfoliating paste no more than once a week to avoid over-exfoliation. Number 7, Zinc Supplements. Zinc supplements may play a role in acne treatment, as zinc is involved in immune function and skin health. However, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before taking any supplements to determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it won't interact with other medications or conditions. Individual responses to these remedies can vary, so it's essential to monitor your skin's reaction and discontinue use if you experience any adverse effects. Additionally, consulting a dermatologist or healthcare provider is advisable, especially for severe or persistent acne concerns. Then there are some hygienic practices that are crucial for acne prevention. Avoid touching your face, as hands can transfer dirt, oil, and bacteria to your skin, potentially worsening acne. Regularly change and wash your pillowcases and sheets to reduce the accumulation of dirt and oil. After sweating, cleanse your face to prevent sweat from mixing with oils and potentially clogging pores. Avoid aggressive scrubbing or harsh physical exfoliants, as they can irritate the skin and worsen acne. Choose non-comedogenic products. Look for skincare and makeup products labeled as non-comedogenic to minimize the risk of clogged pores. By adopting a holistic approach that combines natural remedies with lifestyle adjustments, individuals can better manage acne and achieve healthier, clearer skin. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to keep up with our daily health advice.